Hey traders, welcome back. As you can see, here we are on the Bitcoin chart and it is 1 hour time frame. After having some successful positions from our last analysis, the price touched our stop loss in our recent position. I told you that we can enter a buy position here. This is completely a true position. If it happens again, I will enter buy position again and again and again, okay? Because I do trade based on this, and my actually analysis and the way I do analyze the market and trade the market is like this, okay? And it won't change. Maybe it can be updated in the future, but it won't be changed, okay? We have some trend, actually we have some touches on this trend line showing that this is a really nice trend line. Broken to the upside here, we enter the buy position, set our stop loss below this candle, but the price touched our stop loss. There is no worries about that, and we will have some winning positions in the future too. But something that you should know is on the 4 hour time frame, if you check that, we have a new support for the price. This one here, the price touched it and started going up, okay? Really easy. This is a nice support for the price, okay? So if we draw this support and continue it, you can see we have some rejections here from this level, some dodgy candles here, and the price starts going up and starts falling again and touches this level and makes a pin bar like this, and a really nice pin bar. You can risk here and enter buy position, set your stop loss below the candles and look for your reward, okay? But I don't, because I don't trade with support and resistances, but you can risk here and enter buy position. And let's check lower time frames, like 15-minute time frame, to see if we have anything or not. We could have a buy position here too with the break of this trend line to the upside, but the size of the candle was not okay, so we again didn't have any opportunities to have a buy position. But in the 5-minute time frame, we could, let me draw that for you. We could have a trend line like this, okay? Broken here, we could enter buy position, put our stop loss below this candle and look for our reward. And this can be the first leg and a correction, and the second leg can be made in the future. Nothing left to say. Thanks for watching this part. Let's move to the next part, the education part, and also see the yesterday's positions too. Guys, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more daily crypto and forex analysis. And also leave me a comment and tell me your ideas about the Bitcoin and its future in the upcoming days. And also, if you have any questions, you can ask me in the comments. On the first position, let me tell you that this is Bitcoin chart and it is 5-minute time frame, okay? On the first position, we have this trend line broken here. We could risk here and enter buy position, put our stop loss below the candles, and it gives us a reward of something around risk to reward 4 somewhere here on these candles, and some shadows from upside, which I told you several times. Some shadows in a place are actually showing the weakness of that buyers or sellers, depending on the direction of the market and the trend. On the second position, we had this triangle for the price, or 2 trend lines, one from upside, the other one from downside. The one from downside was broken here. We could risk here and enter sell position, put our stop loss above the candles and get our reward 2, which the price gives us our risk to reward 3 somewhere here. We could also risk here and enter by sell position with the, let me clean that, with the break of this trend line here and enter sell position, put your stop loss above the candles and get your reward. On the third position, we did have this trend line with 1, 2, 3, 4 touches on that. It was broken here. We could risk here and enter buy position, put our stop loss below the candle, and it gives us a reward of something around risk to reward 3 on these shadows here. On the trade 4, we did have this position with actually a trend line, okay, broken here, we could risk here and enter sell position, put our stop loss above the candle. It's okay to put your stop loss above the candle because our stop loss is actually far away from our entry point. But for more actually safety, you could put it here too and also here, and look for your reward, which the price gives us something around 3.5 somewhere here. We had some breakouts here too. We could risk on them and enter buy and sell positions like this one here. We could enter sell position here, put our stop loss above the candle and get our reward, and also here entering buying here, putting our stop loss here and getting our reward, and also here too entering sell here, putting our stop loss above the candle and getting our reward. Okay, thank you guys for watching this video. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel. Bye bye.